we would like to show you our approach for cereal ear counting in field condition.
The objective of this study is to demonstrate a quick and efficient way to count wheat ears in field conditions.
Durum wheat and barley are by extension the most cultivated cereals in the south and east areas of the Mediterranean basin. In those areas, as a consequence of the climate change, the environmental conditions will be changed. We have to work in order to increase the production. In this sense, remote and proximal sensing images have become an important tool in field high-throughput phenotyping, using different kinds of sensors. One of the essential points for improving cereal productivity is a more efficient assessment of yield, determined by the following three yield components: ear density, the number of grains per ear, and the 1,000 kernel weight. We will try to develop an automatic counting of ears per unit crop area, in other words, ear density.
The protocol that we have developed is using a 20 megapixel camera, taking pictures downward looking or perfectly zenithal or nadir at a distance of approximately 80 centimeters from the top of the crop canopy. For validation purposes, we do both in the field wheat ear counts or barley ear counts, as well as manual counts of the image in order to validate the technique.